To make a center pull ball of yarn by hand, start by leaving a tail and then wrap your yarn around your fingers a few times, maybe 3, 4, 5. Then remove from your fingers, make a little figure 8 and fold it into a yarn donut. And now you're going to put this on your thumb so that the tail goes down your thumb and you can hold it with your fingers at first. Then take the longer end and start wrapping around your thumb. Do it as evenly as possible. It's going to look sloppy at first, but that's okay. If you need to, you can twist this around as long as you don't mess up your yarn tail. You always want that yarn tail to be hanging down. So just keep on wrapping and twisting this around to get it nice and even. As it grows, it will start to get a little smoother and less messy. If your tail gets a little too short because it's ridden up inside the bowl, just give it a little pull and then you can start winding again. When you're finished, just tuck in the end here on the outside. And then here is the center pull portion here. So I've removed my thumb and now I can start pulling yarn from the inside of the ball.